Hi everyone, welcome to day 10 of our AWS Essential Challenge. We made it to the final day. Over the last 9 days, we learned many important AWS services. We started with EC2, where we learned how to run application on virtual servers. Then we explored EBS for block storage and S3 for object storage. We learned about VPC and security groups to understand networking and security. Then we saw how load balancer distribute traffic and how auto scaling helps our application handle increasing demand. We also learned about RDS for databases, CloudWatch and CloudTrail for monitoring and logging, and finally AWS Lambda for serverless application. But now you might be wondering, how do all these services actually work together in a real world project? So today, let's imagine we are building a real e-commerce website. Let's imagine you have an online shopping website. A customer opens your website from their laptop or mobile phone. The first thing they reach is the load balancer. The load balancer receives the incoming request and distributes the traffic across multiple EC2 instances. Why multiple EC2 instances? Because imagine thousands of customers visiting the website at the same time. Instead of sending everyone to one server, the load balancer distributes the traffic across multiple servers. And if one EC2 instance becomes unhealthy, the load balancer can stop sending traffic to that server. Now, where are these EC2 instances running? They are inside our VPC, which is our private network in AWS. We can have public and private subnets and use security groups to control which traffic is allowed. Next comes our database. Our application needs to store customer information, orders and product data. For this, we can use Amazon RDS. And importantly, we don't want servers accessing the database directly. The database should stay in private subnet and only our application server should be able to communicate with it. Now, what about product images? We can store those images in Amazon S3. And whenever a customer uploads an image, we can use AWS Lambda to automatically process that image. Finally, we use CloudWatch to monitor our resources and CloudTrail to track activities happening in our AWS account. So now you have complete AWS architecture. Thank you.